Welcome to XCM. We're excited to have your firm join the XCM family. This short video is designed to prepare you for your implementation kickoff meeting and the decisions you will need to make in the weeks ahead. XCM offers a complete productivity enablement and workflow platform that empowers you to manage all types of work within all departments across multiple offices. XCM is a SaaS-based solution, browser and device agnostic, that allows you to access your work wherever you have an internet connection. Throughout the implementation, you will be introduced to many of these key terms, which will help you to understand the features and functionalities of the application. Let's take some time to go deeper into these terms. Client. During implementation, all of your clients will be imported into XCM at one time. One of the key features of the application is you only need to add client information once into the database. Then you have the ability to create one or more tasks for work you will be doing for that client. Here you can see the information that is entered for each client. Task types. Task types are a combination of standard and one-off services for your clients. XCM has many standard task types pre-programmed into the application, such as tax returns, payroll, financial statements, and many more. Your firm can also create firm-specific task types customizable to the needs of your clients. Tasks hold the information for the work you are performing for a client. You have the ability to create multiple tasks for each client, which allows you to track all of the work you're performing for that client on a task-by-task basis. In this example, you can see that the client, Robert Maynard, has 3 tasks in process: a 709, an individual estimate, and a 1040 task. Deliverables. Deliverables are work products that can be added to a task and carry a specific due date. Tasks can have default deliverables, as well as firm-specific and task-specific deliverables. For example, the Robert Maynard 1040 task has 5 deliverables. Federal, Massachusetts, and Rhode Island are default deliverables pre-programmed into XCM. Boston City Filing 13 and College Financial Aid are customized firm-specific or task-specific deliverables. Now that we have your task in XCM, the value of the application is workflow. Creating workflows allows you to automate the steps based on how the work flows through your office today and can be customized for each task type. Each workflow includes from and to statuses that reflect the steps a task takes from start to finish. For example, below is the workflow for a typical 1040 task. The task will start with no info in, move to be scanned, then to preparation, questions posted, and continue through completed. Firms can use the default statuses or create firm-specific statuses to provide all the steps needed to create the workflow that reflects how the work moves through your office today. You can also choose to have an email notification sent to a staff member when a task gets moved to a specific status. Staffing. We all have staff who perform certain roles and responsibilities within our firm. In XCM, staffing on a task is not necessarily the hierarchy in the firm, but what role that user will be performing on a particular task. Standard role names include responsible person, tax partner, audit partner, and more. These role names are customizable based on the role names you use in your firm today. Finally, we have checklists. Checklists are items to be completed by task type. This provides a way to track compliance that all steps are being completed for each task type. For example, the 1040 checklist could include sending and receiving the engagement letter, reviewing source documents for completeness, and completing the AICPA checklist, just to name a few. Once again, and one of the most important themes throughout XCM, these are all completely customizable. Now that you have a basic understanding of some key terms, you are ready to get started. If you haven't already, you will be contacted by your client service representative to schedule your kickoff meeting and begin the XCM implementation process. We hope this short introduction to XCM will be helpful during the coming weeks. Again, welcome to XCM. We look forward to working with you.